Okay, another thing I want to talk with you is about the advancements of AI. You see, nowadays everyone is talking about AI. AI is prevalent. Lots of people are worrying about AI may replace the humans in a very short period. They may lose their jobs. But maybe we have misunderstood the trends of a technology evolvement. That is, there would be a huge gap between the people who are utilizing AI to improve their productivity. On the other hand, lots of people are still waiting, hesitating, or not using AI enough. And the first group of people would replace the jobs of the second group much more earlier, instead of the AI took the place. From my personal experience, I think I did see the amazing part that you see for the past 1 year. Just at the beginning, since the emergence of ChatGPT, I think it's announced around 2022. It did shocked lots of people. And at that time, most people played with the AI like a chatbot to retrieve some information, like talking to some interesting friends. And later, for me, since I worked as a programmer for years, and I spent more time on the programming assistance. So I talked with ChatGPT about how to fix a bug, how to design the system. And I think at that time I was copy and pasting the whole day to get the feedback and then give it a try. And it seems like an endless loop. But later, with the advancement of the ChatGPT, it started to specialize in lots of the other fields. I think lots of people have a very strong feelings that we are relying less and less on the search engines. With the establishment of the announcement of the Search GPT, every day when we wake up, we might, once we have some doubts, some questions, we may reach out to ChatGPT first, instead of searching on Google. That's a very big difference, right? Another thing is that Speaking of ChatGPT, there's one very strong component rival Claude, Anthropic Claude. Claude is is also a general purpose AI large language model, but its capability in the field of programming is superior to the other models, much better than ChatGPT on the coding contest. And recently I just discovered another, it's like a plugin or some extension. It's called Cloud Code Remote. It's because of the search of the use of cloud for programming. Maybe it's servers are not capable to meet the needs of this much calculations. So Anthropic put a cap on the usage of that. I mean the usage limit on each user. At first it has just put you see you need to recite the system would recite the quota every 5 hours once you reach the limit. But just a few days ago it has already implemented another strategy, another cap. It is if the system found that you are overusing the cloud, I mean the usage for 1 week, it would might stop you from using it for another week. It's just like taking a break for the usage of a cloud forcefully. So I think that's a huge difference. People, it just revealed that people are, the programmers or the developers are relying more and more heavily on the cloud. So for people, for the developers, if they are not that ready for the changes, they are still not trying to use the AI to accelerate their productivity. I think more and more people, developers, would be fared. Because compared with the wages of the developers, I mean the monthly remuneration is the fees the company need to pay for the AI is significantly lower, and the AI can work 724 hours without any rest. Once the balance is still available. All it needs would be the GPUs and the power consumption. Not like humans. Humans need time to rest, to eat. I know it may sound very crucial, but that's the reality. We just need to change, and change fast, to be more adaptable to the new world. Another thing I may kind of pessimistic is that you see right now there may be millions of developers around the whole world, but with the advancement of AI, little by little, and you see it just lowered the bars of or the entry-level work would be can be replaced by all kinds of AI. Even if the entry-level job in the IT sector, like 20% or 10%, it is still a very large number. If people don't possess the abilities to utilize all kinds of AI freely, they may not have the possibility to enter into the tech sector anymore. It's quite a different situation compared with the old times. And another thing is that people may need to learn faster. Yeah, compared with the times before, they may spend a lot of time to learn the syntax and to read the technical documents, to read the APIs. But these things are very time consuming. But once entered into the era of AI, these things can be accomplished by the AI just within a few seconds or minutes. And we may need to spend more time on the verification of the code AI provided for the debugging, for the feedbacks. More and more people would work as a tester for the gigantic AI. I know it sounds not a little pretentious, but please try to think it deeply. I think you would admit that it's already the harsh reality. No matter how hard it is, we just need to some kind of adjustments to be more adaptable to the new environment, to make sure we can still stay on that position.